both pretty local, so this ought to be interesting. Both big boys, too. And here we go. Gabe with the kick right away. Throwing that jab. Oh, and the cross. Hook. That took, and here we go to the ground now. Didn't quite get that leg. Dave here on top, going for the guillotine right away, immediately. He's got that, oh, it almost looks like he's that arm in guillotine. That's hard to get, but if he can get it, if he can utilize, push him up against the cage. Taps, that's it. Representing Bozeman here at Bozeman Impact. That was a quick fight here. Not much to say there. I believe Jim Collins put it as this: he's a strong cat. Not much to say about this one. It was really quick here. Looks like he got a little bloody there with one of those punches. It's hard when you end that fast. It's hard to think about it. Oh, here's Jim.